Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today I will be reading you a poem called A Persistent Faith from the book 55 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. A persistent faith. Don't remain stagnant your entire life, since all opportunities need risks and a persistent faith. When you declare your faith and persistently march towards your destiny, God shows up and moves mountains that seemed insurmountable from the start. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. And if you are able, please close your eyes and think of the good in your life right now. I am grateful for a friend's generosity. I am very grateful for everybody listening and subscribing. I am so grateful to be able to read to everybody. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.